Hello, hello. This is Dee from the Fishing Gardens. Back at it again. So, been away for a little while. Still healing my back. Coming out every once in a while, trying to help my hubby with some projects. So, got a couple of things done. And look at the dragon fruit. I just wanted to show you about the dragon fruit right here. Back here, all these spider webs. So, we got magenta dragon fruit. And these are some quick trellises we put together. And a lot of them don't seem to like direct sunlight. That's country road dragon fruit. And some of the dragon fruit will have taller trellises, some won't. We got this little umbrella over it. We're supposed to get a lot of rain this week, so hopefully that is the case. We have that. So like I said, with dragon fruit, you may not have a lot of room. So all your dragon fruit don't have to be the biggest dragon fruit in the world. The plants, you just gotta, cut off a lot of extra, depending on your trellis, going whichever way it needs to go. So you'll notice that we have different sizes of trellises as far as the growth. That's natural mystic and yellow. Yeah, so we have different sizes. That's Java Jakarta sitting back there. So different sizes and trellises. And our dragon fruit. Some will allow to grow bigger than others. When we taste it, that's when we will decide whether we're gonna, make a bigger trellis. And as you come over here, a lot of these have already grown. This is Maya. So a lot of them have already grown to a good size already. We have the yellow here, the Yanese here. Again. Supposed to be the American Beauty there. Got my strawberries tucked in there. But again, what we're trying to just do is experiment with different trellises in the backyard, making sure we have a strong structure in the trellises. Because, we get hurricane winds back here. We haven't, since I've been here, since 2012, we have not had a hurricane hit where I live in Central Florida. As far as hitting on it, we're in the in part of Central Florida. I'm not buying, obviously there ain't any water or anything, but we do get just strong winds. Look at that Valencia Pride, boy. She is really growing. You asked me what I give this tree right here. Nothing. I actually ignore her, and the ones that I ignore seem to do the best. So basically, that's what I do. I ignore Valencia Pride, and she's growing. Of course, we're going to shape her because she will be a bigger mango tree. We actually have this fruit cartel tree. We had Cold Chain. He came and he grafted it for us, and with different flavors. So we're gonna see, it's different mango flavors. We'll see which take and which don't, and we're just gonna give it time. We're supposed to be getting a good amount of rain here in Central Florida. We were supposed to have rain last night. I didn't get any, but we'll just be patient. And we're going to see what's going on. And this is the structure we built. My hubby built for her for this cartel mango tree because it was in direct sunlight. So we wanted to give it a chance. And he put all of the grafts, at the bottom just to give it more protection from the sun. We come over here, and this is another structure I had because we actually had passion fruit feeding around it. So this is another one where we put made another trellis. Just utilizing the parts of the garden we had before we have to run around trying to add more pots. And that's Godzilla in there. see it. That's the Godzilla dragon fruit. And yes, we'll have more going in there. So as the dragon fruit is getting taller, we wind up cutting off the side shoots. And so the dragon fruit can concentrate on growing straight up. So this is my dragon fruit cutting area. And I just take them when we cut them and we place it in there. So we could just have extra in case something happens to the dragon fruit. Certain flavors. We're going to have 2 cuttings of each flavor that we have back there. And yeah, just to make sure you still have some extra cuttings of your dragon fruit. So we cut the side shoots so all the energy can go on growing that straight up so it could turn. Okay, so that's that right there. We'll come around here and I'll get you. Oh, this is what I wanted to show you. Look at that. Huh? Some pieces that was added to our backyard garden. Like that there, daughter. Beautiful pieces. Here's another. That's another dragon fruit set up right here. See that? Different flavors. See the different flavors on there. Israel yellow. I don't know if you can see that. Yanese. What is that? Oh, Vietnamese. Vietnamese white. So like I said, we're building different trellises. That's right here. There we go. And we got these tucked in. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. And basically you'll see them on a shade cloth, yo. I mean a shade cloth covering it to protect it. Because, the sun is intense out here. It really is intense. So we want to make sure we're protecting them until they can get strong enough to protect themselves. And here's another one of our shade houses that me and the hubby built. Let's see. And you'll see. And look at those type of elephant ears right there. Look at that. A gift from my daughter. Elephant ear. Different types. They're doing good, being protected back here. And you can see some more cuttings of dragon fruit. You gotta actually fix that one up there. So that's what you see down there. Okay, so like I said, it's gonna be a short one, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. I want to be doing too much bending and carrying on. Back feels a lot better, but still stiff. So I definitely don't want to push it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Hopefully you're enjoying your day. You're enjoying your gardening. And yeah. Everybody stay blessed. And I'll get back at you again with some more gardening videos. So enjoy the rest of your day. Have a nice day. Goodbye.